In the previous session, we have learnt about how to create a database, how to make it current, and how to create a table in the database. We have also learned about the various data types like int, varchar, and date. We know the purpose of these data types. Now, in this session, let us begin to learn how to insert the records in the table which we have created in the previous session. So in the last class, we have created the student table having the following attributes: roll number, name, address, house, and date of birth. As we already know, the data type for roll number was int. For name, address, house, the data type was varchar. And for date of birth, we have taken the data type as date. As we know the difference between all these three data types, now let us begin how to insert the records. The insert into is the command which is used to insert the values in the table student. So insert into is the command. In which table we want to insert? Student table. So here we will write the name of the table in which we have to insert the data. Once again repeating it, insert into student. Now what we have to insert? Values. Values is a keyword which is used to insert values. Once again repeating it, insert into command. In which table? Student table, with the help of which keyword? Values. After that, we have to put the parenthesis. We have to mark the parenthesis. Now you have to remember one rule here very clearly. Numeric data types are not enclosed in single quotes or double quotes, any of the quotes. If the data type is numeric, whether it is integer or decimal, no quotation marks will appear. But if the data type is char, varchar, date, time, then the values to be inserted are to be placed either in single quotes or in double quotes. Both are allowed. It is not compulsory that we have to put only single quotes or only double quotes. Any. We can put either single quotes or double quotes, and the values are separated by comma. Now let us see once again. Insert into student values in the brackets. The name of this bracket is parenthesis. Very good. So brackets, parenthesis, in parenthesis we are writing for roll number 1. Now the data type for roll number is integer. So we are not enclosing it in the quotes, comma. I have already told you the values are separated by comma. The next attribute in our table was name of the student. And the name of student data type was varchar. So it is enclosed in double quotes. So Ankit will appear in double quotes, comma, Malviya Nagar. Malviya Nagar is the address, and address is the data type as varchar. So it is enclosed in double quotes, comma. Next attribute was house. In which house the student is? Nehru house, Shastri house, Ambedkar house, in which house he is. So suppose roll number 1 Ankit is in Shastri house. So Shastri is also in the varchar. It will be enclosed in double quotes. Single quotes will also work, no problem at all. Once again we will put the comma because one more value is left, that is the date of birth. Now for date of birth, the data type was date. And we have the special format to enter the date value here. First, you have to give the complete year, separated by hyphen, then the name of the month, and then day. So it is in the format YYYY, that is for the year, hyphen MM is for the month, then again the hyphen, and then 05. It is DD. DD means day. Once we have written all the values, close the parenthesis, put the semicolon. After semicolon, the query will be executed and it will be written query OK, one row affected. In the same way, we can insert various values. Now here we can try it giving with the same roll number. Roll number, we have made it as primary key. If I will try to enter the value 1 again, it will give me the error message because in primary key, duplicate values are not allowed. So it will give me the error message.